Okay, if you want to talk about healthy comfort food, this is the one for you. Creamy prawn pasta with a garlic bread topping. This one has got it all. It's high in protein, it's high in fibre, it's delicious to eat, it's quick and easy to make, and best of all, you can feed your family of 4 for under £12 with these incredible M&S ingredients. We're going to start with our garlic breadcrumb topping. What better thing to have with pasta than garlic bread? I've got some oil in the pan, some crushed garlic. We're going to add a little bit of that into the pan. I'm going to add in those breadcrumbs, toss it around, and I tell you what, that smells so good. And we just toast those breadcrumbs off until they're golden and finish it up with some of that fresh parsley. We've got the colour in there, the green, and set that aside to top off later. Next up, time to get the pasta on. Now, I'm going whole wheat spaghetti today. This is part of the M&S Eat Well range. It's high in fibre, it's a lovely texture and a beautiful flavour. Here we go. In we go with that Dijon mustard. Just add a splash of that pasta water in and stir that round so the mustard and the water coats the prawns, and then we reduce the heat. In we go with 5 tablespoons, and we're going to stir that together to make a super silky smooth pasta sauce. I mean, creamy prawn pasta with a garlic breadcrumb topping. What is not to like about that? I tell you what, the answer will be nothing, but I'm going to give it a try anyway. That is a winner of a family dinner. Juicy jumbo king prawns, creamy, cut through with a lemon, crispy breadcrumb topping. Don't forget, that's a healthy recipe you can feed your family with for under £12 with these incredible M&S ingredients.